Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishan here. Welcome to Maerim Residence. In the morning, we had a good walk. I had a good FPV flight. Check that video out on my channel. And I'm gonna sit here and enjoy flying these helicopters. Pilot seat is ready. Radios are ready. Pilot is ready. Let's fly. But before that, I would like to say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah for such a beautiful opportunity that I can sit and fly in this beautiful nature right here. Sun is rising right from there in front of us, and here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in front of me is like kind of valley, so the optical flow sensor is having difficulties because there's nothing under it, and it should hold here. yeah baby, hold it. Watch that grass under you, hold it right there. So it's drifting around a bit because the optical flow camera cannot find the things under it. But overall, it's still in a good control. Look at that. What a beautiful stance right there. Man, what a beautiful place. And I can tell you, as per my videos that you have been watching, that this is absolutely an RC heaven right here. So not only you can fly your own RC, but boat has a lot of RC equipment, and especially I love his rock crawler tracks. He has plenty of rock crawler tracks for all kind of rock crawlers to test and to drive and to have fun every day. So let me just stand up and I'll bring the helicopter slightly down, watching this tree, not to hit this tree, so you can see the view of this little valley in front of me. This morning I and boat were walking down that creek, and you know what, this is also one of the best points to stand here and go crazy with those 3D helicopters like Goose Sky RS4 and other 3D helicopters, Omp Hobbies 3D helicopters, little S2s, M2s. You can go crazy doing 3D in the morning here. But this helicopter, man, it's an absolute joy to fly anywhere you are. The batteries charge pretty fast. It is quick to take off, and it is just a pleasure to fly. You got to give yourself some time to get used to this toyish El Cheapo radio they gave it to you. And I hope the sticks don't go bad, because, you know, on this quality, I'm just worried that sticks might go bad. But so far, this El Cheapo is actually doing a very, very good job. So far, I have no issues with it. It's doing a very, very good job. And I can only tell you the reason they went with the El Cheapo radio is because they want to reduce costs. Previously, they released Seahawk. I mean, Yuxiang, they released Seahawk with a good radio, good helicopter. I mean, I would say that is really a nice helicopter with GPS and everything. And then people complain about high price. People good things come with price, okay? Like this resort, staying here is not cheap, I can tell you. So good things come with price. You want something good, you have to pay high price. You don't want to pay high price, well, you know, manufacturer is giving you something cheap which is working, and you can fly and enjoy your helicopter in a budget. This beauty flying right here is a budget helicopter. Remember that. So yes, I said the radio is really, you know, El Cheapo, but that is to, you know, do justice with the prices, to keep the prices low. If you want a good quality radio, you can still fly this helicopter with Seahawk radio. You can bind it. So if you have a Yuxiang Seahawk helicopter, you can bind this Eurocopter with Seahawk radio and fly it, and then you don't have to complain about El Cheapo radios, okay? But still, I would say, man, I know Yuxiang may be feeling a little strange for me to say this is an El Cheapo radio, but you know, Yuxiang, you have to listen to customers anyway and try to keep the customers happy, because in the end, customers are the God for you and they decide your fate. So, to conclude, absolutely a 2 thumbs up helicopter right here. Beautiful scale appearance, brushless motors, powerful, plenty of flight times, flies absolutely stable, 100% beginner friendly. Even complete beginner who have never flown a helicopter in his life flew it very well right here in Chiang Mai. My other fan, Arish, and kids can fly it very well. And it is in budget, people. In budget. And this radio works very well. So far it's working very well. So what else do you need? Now, I can tell you, hold on, I am still working on, you know, binding it to Radio Master Edge TX, and if I'm successful, I will post a complete video tutorial about that, how to do this, how to do that, and then you will be able to fly this beauty with your Radio Master TX16S or Boxer or other Edge and Open TX radios very easily. Alright, I will land and conclude this flight. So, let's land right in front of our villa. And pilot steps out of the helicopter and goes into the villa.